This is a pack of 6 pairs of athletic crew socks with arch support. I was center view from Spotmart, so let's take a closer look because these are amazing socks. They are all 6 packs, but you can get them in different colors. I got the one with 2 pairs in black, 2 in white, and 2 in gray. You can also get them in all black, all white, or black and white. The arch support goes all the way under the foot and is really comfy, giving a gentle squeeze. The upper band is very stretchy without being too tight, but keeps those socks right in place. It is not a super thick winter sock, but it is a nice thickness for year-round comfort. Great for wearing with flats, sneakers, even with boots. The sizing chart on the product page is a little confusing because it doesn't mention if it's men's or women's, and it mentions sock size. So what I did is just convert my shoe size to the EU size, and then it's pretty clear. I usually wear a size women's 9 to 10. I got the medium and they are a perfect fit, as you can see. They're a super soft, comfortable material. I really love the feel. If you're looking for a really comfortable mid-calf sock with arch support, I love these from Spotmart, and I know you will too.